Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menti rangba kajela Conrad ke sangma menta kasingi ke khandai tarik urumpang arajar arpusau habakran begilat pathai kubor adien kajingelang ke kenhun menteri uloang bakam syong Nongrim manwo daw Halor ke Ktien ke ba manu kikran ya kaniu menteri rangba ulakran ha kabayade bakajing dawa ke VPP ya ulampang ke yung dorbar ulat kajela udi bet Pyndonkam ke Ktien English hapo ke yung dorbar lani bandan kinong penkala ke Ktien Hindi sya ke Ktien English. Menteri rangba uloong bakaan ka don, bat kaan ka Ailad ya Baroh bagian keren ha kanu ke Ktien. Ladaki wanra bat kokon kabla tho de Ktien English. Conrad uloong wa ulampang ke yung dorbar la pentip, ba anle ling bagi kor kibor, lani ban wanra di kinong penkala Ktien. Shu uloong ru wakan sadon kalat ka bagi pat baru ken la ban ngap ha Ktien English.
See, we are very clear that the rules are there and the rules allow anybody to speak provided they provide the copy of the speech in English, and that is being done, and therefore there is no issue. We are following the rules as per the requirement, number one. Number two is that we have also, the speaker has informed us that he has also made provisions where either through artificial intelligence or through some kind of a translator, that there will be provisions where people will be listening to the speech in English also. So making it an issue I think is unnecessary. Wherever the situation is, many people have spoken in different languages, as I said. So the individual concerned, our Honorable Governor, has limitations, and therefore he is speaking in Hindi, and there's nothing wrong in that. So I just don't understand the whole issue that they're trying to bring up. I think what is more important is the content of what is there in the governor's speech, and more importantly the discussion that we will have as to how we will productively decide and debate on important issues related to the state, and I think we should focus on that in the assembly session. I have no comments on this really. I don't think it's worth commenting on it, is what I'm saying, because as I said, what is most important in democracy and more important in legislation is the debates that take place, the discussions that take place. That is what we are meeting for, and it would be more meaningful if the honorable members would focus on those issues that are important for the state. We are ready to discuss and debate on various issues, and we have always been positive in terms of recommendations and suggestions given. Even if it comes from opposition, if I find that there's something that's good, I don't ever hesitate to accommodate and to ensure. So I think that is most important, and I think honorable members should focus on the content, on the debate, and on the issues that are there for the state.